So I have a 2013 Subaru Legacy here in the shop, and I'm getting ready to replace the mass airflow sensor. And the car came up with a P0102 code, which points to a bad mass airflow sensor. Tried to clean it. I've never really had much luck cleaning a mass airflow sensor. Sometimes you can get them to work for a little bit, but you're better off replacing it. I bought this one on Amazon. I'll put a link over in the description of the video over to it on Amazon if you want to buy one. This one was like 24 bucks. Yeah, it was a cheapie, so we're gonna try this route first. If you want a more expensive one, like a Bosch or something like that, they're around 100 bucks or maybe over 100 bucks. Let's dive into this thing. This is an easy repair you can do in your driveway. Okay, so real quick before you replace the mass airflow sensor, what you can do is if you get a code like that, check the air filter. The air filter is right in the box right here. Ours was dirty. We put a brand new one in. There's one clip here, one clip here. The air filter's right in there. You basically spread the box apart, the air box apart right there, and you can take it right out. I'm not going to take it out because we just replaced that yesterday. The air filter that was in there was really dirty. So to remove the harness from the mass airflow sensor, there's a clip right here. And pressing on it and just pull. It'll pull right off. There's a couple of really small Phillips head screws that hold it in place. Just going to remove these two. These screws are really tiny, so put them somewhere where you're not going to lose them. There's one there. There's one right there. And then you can just pull it up and out. And I've got my replacement mass airflow sensor. I'm going to put it right in. Start your screws by hand. Catch the yellow one. Just kind of snug these down. You don't have to crank down on them. Take your wire harness. Hear it snap, it'll click right into place, give a little tug, and now you know it's secure. So that's all you really have to do to replace the mass airflow sensor on your Subaru Legacy. This has a 2.5 in it, and it's a pretty simple repair. It'll take you like 3 minutes. It'll take you longer to find the tools. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you. Now, hey, thanks to the guys who have been giving us a super thanks. We appreciate it, and every little bit keeps us going. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.